Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about this hem finished seam. This hem finish is commonly used in every garment and other sewing projects. Sometimes use overlock or just fold the hem twice. The constructions. Prepare a piece of fabric and mark the folding line. The size is depend on the width of the seam desired. Fold it or roll it just like this. Stitch the seam as close as possible to the folded line. How to make it? Prepare a piece of fabric, turn to the wrong side, fold it twice. The size is depend on the width desired. Press it. It can be ironed to make it stay still. And then ready to sew. Try to stitch as close as possible to the folded seam line. And here is the result. The right side has flat surface with top stitching. And the wrong side is just like this. With these basic seam types, we can easily start our sewing projects. We will discuss about more advanced seam types in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below what next video we should discuss in our channel. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.